Alright guys, so this is gonna be a blower startup on our Ruud furnace, or in other words, it's a startup of our furnace in cool mode. And it is now on in cool mode. It's backwards there, but it's supposed to be a C, standing for cool. It even says so on what that thing is, still don't know. But it is vibrating here. And there's like the circuitry, I think behind there's the actual boiler. And if you didn't know already, we also have a Ream air conditioner of like the same model. But in this video, we're just focusing on the Ruud. The air conditioner's right there. So don't even know if that thing should be on at the moment. But it's like 71 in here. Also, I've never really shown you guys like the thermostats I use. So I'll show you that real quickly. And here it is. With both of the air conditioners, we have Honeywell thermostats. And that should be turning off. So here it is. The shutdown as well of the 2020 Ruud furnace on cool mode. The thing even says 0 for off. That'll be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.